Hello, Lookout fam. It's your girl Lolo, and today I'm doing a Mother's Day walkthrough video. Today I'm going to be highlighting some items that you can grab for Mother's Day. Now, this is Father Carry Pineapple Glow Body Wash. I also spotted the Father Carry Vanilla Drizzle. Now, I did not purchase these. The last body wash that I got from Spotted Carry, they did not smell as good as I wanted them to be, so I did not pick these up. Now, this looks promising. This is the Fresh Fig Scented Feminine Body Wash. This is pH balance and it helps control odor. They also have this feminine moisturizer. This is in the scent of Cocoa Bloom, and this has coconut oil and jojoba oil in it. And right beside it is another feminine moisturizer. This is a daily care water-based gel with hyaluronic acid, and it is good for external feminine moisture. Now, these are some great finds for $1.25. Also spotted these picture frames. They only had one grandma picture frame left for $1.25. I found the white moms and the black mom picture frames. These are great for $1.25. They also have some more picture frames down here at the bottom. These are gorgeous. And these LED tapered candles. Now, I've been looking everywhere for these candles. I like the fact that you can just put two batteries in these and put it on a beautiful candle stand and just turn it on and let it flicker. I did grab the pink and the purple one. Also spotted these decorative trays here with the beads around them. I think these are gorgeous. You have it in the beige and also in the white. And also spotted this decorative mirror right here. Hey, I'm always on my knees at the Dollar Tree because all the good stuff is at the bottom. So this is $1.25. And also spotted some more tea light candles. These are also battery operated. Now, this is in the plus aisle. You have some Mother's Day picture frames here for $3. These are beautiful. I do want to highlight this one. This one is my favorite. The beading around it, the sturdiness of it. For $3, I thought it was a great deal. And plus, you can put two pictures in it. Now, this is the deal of the day. Dollar Tree has certain candles, and I believe it's the red amber ones that's on sale. They're regular price $5. You can get them for $1. Now, it is the tall red amber candles as well as the short vanilla cashmere and the short I believe there's red amber ones as well. This smoke incense one is $1 as well. Sorry, the firehouse cedar is $1. Now, if you do see these at your Dollar Tree, go ahead and scan them in your Dollar Tree app if you have it. These should be ringing up as $1. Now, even if you don't like the smell of these candles, just the look of them to me is worth $1. I did grab a couple of them for Mother's Day gift. I'm going to put a little bow on top of them and pass them out, but I absolutely love them. Now, I do have a friend who loves Mickey Mouse, and for Mother's Day I wanted to put together a little gift basket. So I'm going to grab this bamboo cutting board. I did spot some Disney and Nickelodeon mini mitts. So you have the Mickey Mouse mini mitt, SpongeBob and Patrick mini mitt. You have the Spider-Man and the Baby Yoda mini mitt. These are really cute. So I am going to grab this mini mitt and Mickey. Also, I found some magnetic bag clips. So they have two different styles of the Mickey Mouse, but I'm going to grab the one with Mickey and Minnie. Also, I spotted these egg timers. You have SpongeBob, you have Stitch, and Garfield. Now, I did see that they had it in Winnie the Pooh, but I didn't see that one, so I grabbed the SpongeBob one. Now, right beside it, you have these mini spatulas with Minnie and Mickey on them, and I'm trying to decide which one will go with my gift idea better. And I do apologize for it being out of focus, but I'm just trying to lay everything out, trying to get an idea of how it's going to look. Now, I decided to get the True Love with Mickey and Minnie doing the little heart hands on it for my gift. Now, I also spotted some sink strainers. They have the Mickey Mouse sink strainer here. And again, I apologize for it being out of focus. They also have some Stitch sink strainers as well. Behind the stitch is the Avengers, and they have two different types of the Spider-Man as well. So I thought these were some really good finds for $1.25. Now this is what I got so far. Let's see, I got the spatula, I got the sink strainer, and give me a second here. I want to lay this out to get a good idea of what it looks like together. All right, so this is what it looked like together. I'm sorry that is not the right angle, but I put a picture to the side. I also found a whisk as well. So these are the items that I found for the Mickey Mouse Mother's Day basket for my friend. Now, I haven't forgotten about the dog moms out there. Now, if you're a dog, if you have a friend who is a dog mom, this is a great little gift basket you can put together for them. This is the Complete Care toothbrush and toothpaste. I also saw this Eat, Bark, and Repeat. Now, this is a mini bowl, but they did have different sizes of water bowls or food bowls you can use. So I tried to pick it up, but it was just too slippery for me to get my fingers around it. So what I decided to do was pair that up with this mat right here. This is a pet mat, and look at these cute paws on this mat. And if you open it up, the inside of it is rubber, so it don't slide across the floor. So what I'm basically doing is just trying to find some usable items to give to my friend for her dog. And I know that she liked using these wipes on her dog's paws. So I'm getting this multi-purpose usage by Arm& Hammer for her dog as well. And it seems like I'm missing something. Oh, the snacks. We cannot forget the snacks or the doggy treats. This is a Dole biscuits. And let's see what this looks like. Still seem like I'm missing something. Perfect. I found these adorable picture frames here. These are 5x7 picture frames for her to put pictures for her and her dog, or just her dog in it. I thought this was so adorable. And these are $1.25. Now, this remote sleeve that glows in the dark, I had to jump on this. Usually they only have it for Roku, but I found it for the Amazon Fire Stick. I was so surprised to see these. Now these are $1.50. If you see on the box, it said it's suitable for most Amazon Fire Sticks. Now they did have it in pink, blue, and the neon green, and I decided to grab all three of them because I know my bestie was looking for these as well. All right, guys, that's the end of this Mother's Day inspired walkthrough. I hope I was able to show you guys some items and give you guys some ideas of gifts to give your mom for Mother's Day, or for the dog mom that you know. If you're a mom, happy Mother's Day to you. Thank you for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you're not a subscriber. Like this video and leave me a comment what your favorite find was. All right, guys, I will see you on the lookout. Bye.